Hello. Today we will talk about organelle and cell level. In our previous lecture, we studied the molecular level. Let's talk about organelle level. At that level, biomolecules combine to form organelles. These organelles are subcellular structure. What are subcellular structures? Subcellular structures means the structures that are present inside cell. Each subcellular structure, that is also called organelle, is specialized to perform a specific function. For example, mitochondria and ribosomes. These are the organelles that are present inside the cell and perform specific function. Let's talk about function of mitochondria. Mitochondria are specialized for cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is metabolic process that convert glucose and oxygen into ATP and release the carbon dioxide and water as byproducts. What is the function of ribosomes? Ribosomes are specialized for protein synthesis. Let's talk about cell level in detail. Many organelles assemble together to form a unit of life that is called cell. There are two types of cell, one unicellular and two multicellular. Unicellular means organism consists of a single cell, for example, prokaryotes and protists like bacteria, that is shown in diagram. Multicellular means organism consists of up to trillions of cells. For example, all animals and all plants. What is the function of cell? Functions of the cell are accomplished by many organelles like mitochondria and ribosomes that perform specific function. It is an example of the division of labor within the cell. Diagram shows the many organelles inside the cell. These organelles are specific for do specific work. In our next class, we will discuss the next level of organization, that is tissue level. Thank you.